Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. In this video, I will be demonstrating you how to export data from SQL Server to Microsoft Excel file. Let's get started. I will be using VehicleDB database. It has 3 tables. To export data, right-click on the database, click on Tasks and select Export Data. The Import and Export wizard is opened. Press Next to proceed. Now we have to choose the source from where we want to export the data. Choose OLEDB provider for SQL Server. Choose the server where your database is located. My database is located on the local machine, so I will write localhost. I will use Windows authentication to connect with the database. Next, select the database and click the Next button. Now you have to choose the destination where you want the data to be exported. Choose Microsoft Excel. Now browse the file. Create a new Excel file here. Select this file. Choose version of Excel file. If you want first row as header row, then keep this option selected. Press the next button. Now you have two options. First option is straightforward and user-friendly as it requires no SQL knowledge. The whole table just gets exported to the Excel and no filtration is done. Let's try this option and we will try the other one after the first one is done. Press the next button. Here is the list of tables. Select all the tables. All data from these tables will be exported. Now open table mapping one by one. This mapping window shows what will be type of the columns in Excel. Everything looks fine. Press the next button. Keep Run immediately selected and press the next button. Press Finish button to export data. Data export started. OK, export completed. Let's open Excel file. This is the items table. This is the services table. Here is the vehicle data. OK, all records are exported. Now let's try the second option to export data using SQL query. This option is very flexible. Suppose you only want to export these 10 rows, or you want to select specific columns, or you want to create a join with another table, or add conditions and things like that, then you should go with the second option. Now let's try exporting data using the second option. Right-click on the database, click on Tasks, select Export Data, press Next to proceed, choose OLEDB provider for SQL Server. Now select Database and click the Next button. Choose Microsoft Excel as destination. Now browse the file. Now create a new Excel file here. Select this file. Choose version of Excel file. Press the next button. Now we will choose the second option. Press the next button. Here you can write the query to export data. I will be only exporting top 10 rows, but you can write any kind of query. Click Parse to test query. Press the next button. Select your query here and press the next button. You can review data from query here and press the next button. Now select Run immediately and press the Finish button. OK, data successfully exported. Open Excel file. OK, here are the top 10 rows. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Also hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.